Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some quick pig ears. The quick pig ears, which I'll be making today, is made with puff pastry and cinnamon sugar. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with a half a cup of white sugar, add in 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder and mix until well combined. Cut a piece of puff pastry in half. Brush on some egg white. Sprinkle on some cinnamon sugar. Roll the 2 shorter sides up to the middle. Wrap in cling film and place in the freezer for 10 minutes. Do exactly the same to the other piece of puff pastry. Cut and place on a baking tray. Brush on some egg white. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes.